You gonna try it?
Hey guys,
Who's that, yours?
wait, hold up. What's so soft? What's so soft?
More better. More better? Yum.
Hello everybody, welcome to Mattel Spice. Ooh where everything tastes delicious. We're making flan today, so what you want to start off is 2 cups of sugar, put them in a pot, and let it melt until nice and golden. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 4 eggs, but I only had 3, but you should have 4 eggs. And then we're gonna add 2 evaporated milk with the eggs, and then we're going to add two condensed milk, 2 cans of condensed milk, and also we're going to add a little bit of vanilla. It could be white, it could be dark, whatever you desire, as long as it gives us the flavor of vanilla. And then we're going to stir for about maybe 3 minutes or so until everything is incorporated together. And you want to get a boiling pot and put it in a large pan so where we're gonna make the flan can fit in there. This is called the bath of Maria. Okay. So the bath of Maria. Okay. So this has to fit in the pot where it's boiling. Okay. So make sure it's big enough, and we're gonna need a strainer. The strainer is so we can put all the liquids in there so there's no bubbles. Okay, now here's where we're gonna put the flan, the liquids and everything like that. But first what we're gonna do is we're going to add the sugar once it's melted. And you guys should be careful, you guys should wear gloves because it gets very hot. Okay, I tried to be a superhero not using gloves, but let me tell you, it's hot. Okay, then what you want to do is just make sure you cover the edges with the sugar, so this way the flan can get beautiful color on the bottom and the top, even on the inside, the little hole. Okay, there you go. Now I know it's getting hot. I'm trying to be brave, but hey. Then you want to get a little brush. This brush, you're gonna quickly just put some sugar on top, raise the edges there. There you go. And then here you go. I couldn't take it anymore. I had to use gloves because it was very hot. Okay. Now we're gonna add the liquid from the flan, and make sure you use a strainer so there's not too much bubbles. There we go. Slowly, guys. This is not a race. Just make sure you get everything slowly incorporated in. There you go. It's looking good. Looking very, very good. Delicioso. Putting my glove back on. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the hot water. You see there's enough space in there. You don't want to put too much water, just in halfway. And then we're gonna put it in the oven to 350 for about an hour and 15 minutes or an hour and 20 minutes. It's up to you. Okay. Now once it's in the oven, you wanna get a little stick and you wanna pinch it in. And if it's like watery, that means it's not ready. But if you see like little freckles of the dough in there, that means it might be ready. Most likely ready. Now here we go. I'm taking it off the oven after a minute and 20 minutes. Now a minute and 20 minutes, what you're gonna get is like a nice and crisp and beautiful golden brown. You know, I like it well done. You see the edges, how it's like kind of very, very golden. That's the color that you want to get. Now let me poke it. There's no liquid or nothing, just little flecks of the dough, which it's perfect. Okay, and then what you want to do slowly with a very sharp knife, very slowly, you want to go on the edges and just do that, what I'm doing there. You see that? And just go all the way around until you start moving it, and see how it moves like that. That means it's gonna slide up very easily. Okay, and you want to get it down to room temperature and then put it in the fridge. After you put it in the fridge for about an hour or so, it's ready to go. Just bada bing, bada boom, flippy the boom, and be careful, guys. This is a dangerous situation. You just gotta know how to do it.
You're gonna go like
By
this.
many flips, you'll know what I'm
Okay.
talking about.
Just take it out slowly.
Here we go.
How do you get up this ladder, man?
Ay, ay, ay.
Matthew, how do you get up this ladder?
Yum, yum.
Golden brown. My daughter loves it.
No.
Apple juice?
And it's time to taste.
Thank you. I'm only gonna hold that part. Can I do one by myself? Yum! That was yummy. Okay,
Wait.
that looks like a nice shape.
You gonna try it?
Hey, guys,
Who's that, yours?
And remember, everybody, don't forget to subscribe and like and support my channel, as I will have more cooking videos in the future. That makes me turn around, delicious.
Yum.
Thank you for watching, and until next time, thank you so much.